What up? It's your boy back at it again today. Hey, I hope you guys really been enjoying the holiday videos I've been coming out. Hey, I'm really feeling the holidays come up. I'm getting in the spirit, man. So how y'all doing today? I'm doing great, man. So today we're gonna be making some gumbo. And I got some chicken right here that I'm gonna go ahead and put in the oven on 350. I'm gonna just hit it lightly with a little salt and pepper. Just got some chicken breast that I don't cut up. You can just use whatever you prefer, dark meat or white meat. I got some chicken tenders cut up here. We're gonna put it in the oven on 350 and let it bake. All right, so here we have some veggies. We have some peppers and onions and some sausage. We're gonna go ahead and go over and take this over to our stove and get ready to cook it. So here in the pan I got some vegetables. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that on medium, let that get hot, and we'll get ready to cook our veggies and sausage in there. Hey, so check out the merch, man. What y'all think? Y'all feeling this shirt? That Southern Smoke, the Southern Smoke boss in the house. You know, hey, they told me I should start branding myself, man. So it'll be coming soon at you guys. I'm still tweaking it just a little bit, but stay tuned for it. So the reason why I'm going to saute my sausage and my peppers and onions is because it's going to give my roux a nice flavor. Alright, so we have sauteed it enough. We don't want to saute it all the way because it's going to cook also when it gets inside of the pot. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out the pan. Ensure you drain your grease off because you want to use that to make your roux. So ensure you turn your grease down on low because you don't want your roux to be tasting burnt. So I'm going to go ahead and add in the flour for us to make the roux. You want to let it simmer until it turns into a chocolate color. Here I have some gumbo flour. I'm going to put a teaspoon of this in here. Let's go ahead and check on our chicken. So we're going to go ahead and pull the chicken out. So instead of just using water, we're going to go ahead and use 48 ounces of chicken broth to start off with. This go give it that, it's not that watery taste. It'll give it some flavor with the chicken broth. We're gonna go ahead and turn this on medium high. Now we have our roux the nice chocolate color that we want. So I'm gonna pour it in a pot with the chicken stock. We're gonna let this get to a nice boil before we add in everything. I have some minced garlic here. I'm gonna add a tablespoon of minced garlic. I got some bay leaves. I have this kind of bay leaves. You can get fresh though. I'm gonna add 3 bay leaves in there. So I have added my okra and my chicken to my vegetables and sausage. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in the pot. After it cook up for a little while, about 10 minutes, we're gonna add our seafood in. Okay, after we let it cook with the crab legs, now we go ahead and add our shrimps. No, they don't take long to get done. We'll put the top on, let them get done, then we'll be ready to eat. So as you can see how done our gumbo is now. So I'm gonna go ahead and can't wait to dig in, man. Go ahead and get me some rice. I like to eat rice with mine. Check out that. Can't wait to dig into this, man. So yeah, check out the final product, man. Let me know what you guys think about it. Hey, let me know some more things you guys like to see for the holiday dishes coming up soon. Thanks for tuning into this video. Be sure to go over to my Instagram, check me out at Southern Smoke Boss. Hey, go ahead and hit that thumbs up. Drop some comments below. Hey, thanks for tuning in. Peace out.